Okay, dear students, just we learned the divisibility test, divisibility rule of 2, divisibility rule of 3, divisibility rule of 9, 5 and 10. Based on these divisibility tests, there is a exercise 1.2. To solve these questions, you should idea about the divisibility test. Then here you are very easy to solve these sums. Exercise 1.2. The first question is, if 21y5 is a multiple of 9, where this y is a digit, means this single digit, what is the value of y? What is the value of y? Before going to solve this sum, now I have to clear one concept. Observe, 6 is a multiple of 2. Dear children, 6 is a multiple of 2. Yes, 6 is a multiple of 2, which implies 2 divides 6 completely. Which implies this 2 divides 6 completely. For example, 10 is a multiple of 5. 10 is a multiple of 5, which implies, it means that 5 divides 10 completely. That is, this 5 divides 10 completely. In the same way, the given 4-digit number, this is 4-digit number, this is a multiple of 9, means 9 divides 21y5 completely. Understood? So now observe, given 21y5 is a multiple of 9, which implies, just tell me what it means. 9 divides 21y completely. So here see, the given number is 4-digit number. 4-digit number. This number is divisible by 9, or 9 divides this number. So for what values of y, this 4-digit number is divisible by 9. Given is that y is a digit. Y is a digit. It is single digit. So observe here, students. 9 divides 21y5, this number completely. We have to find the value of y. Observe the divisibility rule of 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. So 9 divides this number, which means sum of the digits, that is also divisible by 9. Then only that 9 divides this number. Otherwise not, according to divisibility rule of 9. 9 divides this number completely, which implies sum of the digits 2 plus 1 plus y plus 5 is divisible by 9. Sum of the digits divisible by 9. This is according to divisibility rule of 9. Here see what happens. 2 plus 1 4, sorry, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 5, 8 plus y divided by 9. So this is the sum of the digits. This is a divided by 9. So for what values of y this number is divisible by 9? Given that where y is a digit, it is a single digit. The possible values of y are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because the y is a digit, single digit. Now take one by one. If I take y is equal to 0 here, see what happens. 8 plus 0 divided by 9. 8 plus 0 is 8 by 9. 8 is not divisible by 9. So this value is not possible for y. Take one more value. Take y is equal to 1. 8 plus 1 divided by 9. 8 plus 1 is 9 by 9. So 9 divides 9. One possible value of y which makes this number divisible by 9, that the possible value of y is 1. Y is equal to 1. One possible value. Is there any possible values of y and this sum becomes divisible by 9? Take 2. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 is not divisible by 9. Take 4. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 is not divisible by 9. Take 9. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 is not divisible by 9. Take y is equal to 10. If you take 10, y is equal to 10. This becomes 8 plus 10. 8 plus 10 means 18. 18 is divisible by 9. But what they said? That y is a digit. A digit means single digit. Here this should be single digit, not two digit number. According to the question, which value of y makes this sum divisible by 9? Only one value, that is y is equal to 1. Now then the number becomes, then the number is, substitute that value, 2, 1, y, 5, that is, what is the value of y? 2, 1, 1, 5. Check this number is divisible by 9 or not. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 5, 9. Sum of the digits is divisible by 9. So this number is divisible by 9. For what value of 9 this number is divisible by 9? The value of y is 1. Understood? Write the solution. Okay, dear children, see the second problem. If 3, 1, Z, 5 is a multiple of 9, where this Z is a digit, single digit, what is the value of Z? This is 4 digit number. This is a multiple of 9. In previous problem, just I said, this is a multiple of 9, which implies this number is divisible by 9. Or see here once again, 6 is a multiple of 3. What it implies? 3 divides 6 completely, or 6 is divisible by 3, which implies 6 is divisible by 3. Here also, what are they given? this number 31Z5. 31Z5. This is a multiple of 9 in the given sum. What it mean? It means that 31Z5 is divisible by 9. If this 4-digit number is divisible by 9, then what are the possible values of Z? Or for what values of Z this 4-digit number is divisible by 9? To find the values of Z, I use the divisibility rule of 9. What it states? A number is divisible by 9 if and only the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. I use that concept. Now, this number is divisible by 9, right? What is the divisibility rule of 9? A number is divisible by 9 means sum of its digits is also divisible by 9. That is 3 plus 1 plus Z plus 5 by 9. This is equals to 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 9 plus Z divided by 9. So this is the sum. This number is divisible by 9 means sum of the digits that is also divisible by 9. But that Z is a digit. Z is a digit. Means it is a single digit. So the possible values of Z are, what are the single digits? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the single digits. So which value of these makes this sum is divisible by 9? Do trial and error method. Take Z is equal to 0. Substitute Z is equal to 0. What the sum becomes? 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. 9 plus 0 is 9 by 9. Clearly, 9 is divisible by 9. We obtained one value of Z, which makes the sum is divisible by 9. What is that value? Z is equal to 0. Then what is that number? That number is, for Z is equal to 0, the number is 3105. Is there other values of Z? When you substitute those in place of Z, this sum is divisible by 9. Try, take Z is equal to 1. Replace Z is equal to 1. What is the sum? 9 plus 1, 10. 10 is divisible by 9 or not? No. 10 is not divisible by 9. This is not the value of Z. Take 9 is equal to, Z is equal to 2. See what happens? 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 is not divisible by 9. This is also not the value of Z. Take Z is equal to 3. 9 plus 3 is how much? 12. 12 is not divisible by 9. This is also not the value of Z. Take Z is equal to 4. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 is also not divisible by 9. Z is also not of 4. Take Z is equal to 5. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 is not divisible by 9. So this is also not possible. Take Z is equal to 6. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 is also not divisible by 9. So this value is also not possible. Take Z is equal to 7. 9 plus 7, how much? 16. that 16 is also not divisible by 9. This value of z is also not possible. Take z is equal to 8. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 is also not divisible by 9. So z is equal to 8 is also not possible. Take z is equal to 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 9 plus 9. Take z is equal to what? 9. Substitute the value of z as 9. 9 plus 9 is how much? 18. So 18 is divisible by 9. 9 2s are 18. So for what value of z this sum is divisible by 9? One is 0 and one is 9. That is z is equal to 9. This number becomes 3 1 9 5. This is also divisible by 9. So if this number is divisible by 9, for what values of z this number is divisible by 9? The possible values of z are 0 and 9. This is the answer. Understood? So write the solution. Okay, here children, see the next problem. If 2 4x means this is 3-digit number, this is a multiple of 9 where x is a digit, here is x is there one, that is a digit means single digit. Then what is the value of x? If this 3-digit number is multiple of 3, then what are the values of x? Or for what values of x this 3-digit number is divisible by 3? Alternatively. So observe here students. What I said just observe. 10 is a multiple of 5, which implies 10 is divisible by 5. 5 how much are 10? 5 2s are 10. 10 is a multiple of 5, which implies 10 is divisible by 5. In the same way, 2 4x, this 3-digit number, 2 4x is a multiple of 3. Is a multiple of 3, which implies this 3-digit number 2 4x is divisible by 3. That is what it meant? 2 4x is divisible by 3. We have to find the value of x. Means for what value of x this 3-digit number is divisible by 3. Here they given that x is 0, that is a digit. Means it is a single digit. Given x is a digit, means it is single digit. Single digit. Single digit means what are the possible values of x in a single digit? That is x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the values of x because x is a digit, means single digit. Out of this, which value of x makes this number is divisible by 3. That we have to point. To find the value of x, I use the divisibility rule of 3. What it states? A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. So here this number is divisible by 3 means sum of the digits is divisible by 3, obviously. So that is 2 plus 4 plus x, sum of the digits is also divisible by 3. Find the sum. 2 plus 4, 6 plus x is divisible by 3. So what are the values of x which makes this sum is divisible by 3? Take x is equal to 0, 6 plus 0. Take x equal to 0. See what happens. 6 plus, substitute x is equal to 0 here. 0 divided by 3. 6 plus 0, 6 divided by 3. So 6 is divisible by 3. Means for x is equal to 0, this number is divisible by 3. So the one possible value of x is 0. Yes. Now, what about other possible value of x? Take x is equal to 1. 6 plus 1, what is the sum? 7. 7 is not divisible by 3. This is not possible. Take x is equal to 2. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 is not divisible by 3. This is not possible. Take x is equal to 3. 3. See what happens. X equal to 3. 6 plus 3 divided by 3. 6 plus 3, 9 by 3. 9 is divisible by 3. So we obtain another value of x, that is 3. Yes, and x is equal to 3. This sum is also divisible by 9. That is 2, 4, 3 is divisible by 9. Check for value of x is equal to 4. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 is not divisible by 3. Take 5. 6 plus 5, 11 is not divisible by 3. Take 6. 6 plus 6, this number. Take x is equal to 6. 6 plus 6 divided by 3. 6 plus 6, 12 divided by 3. 12 is divisible by 9. What is the another value of x which makes this sum is divisible by 9? What is that? 6. Check for 7. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 is not divisible by 3. So means x is equal to 7 is not possible. Take x is equal to 8. 6 plus 8, how much? 6 plus 8, 14. That 14 is also not divisible by 3. So this is not possible. Take x is equal to 9. 6 plus 9, 15. That 15 is divisible by 3. X is equal to 9. 6 plus 9 by 3. 9 plus 6, 15 by 3. So 15 is divisible by 3. So we obtain another value of x. So what are the possible values of x which makes this sum divisible by 9? The possible values of x are, one is 0, another one is 3, another one is 6 and 9. Then the number becomes, for x is equal to 0, the number 240. For x is equal to 3, the number is 243. For x is equal to 6, the number is 246. For x is equal to 9, the number is 249. But what they ask them? For what value of x this is divisible by 3? Is a multiple of 3 means that is divisible by 3. For what value of x this is divisible by 3? 0, 3, 6 and 9. These are the possible values of x which makes this number divisible by 3. That is 0, 3, 6 and 9. Hence the number is 240, 243, 246, 249. Check these are all divisible by 3 or not. Yes, they are all divisible by 3. So dear children, take a screenshot of this video or pause the video and write the notes, write the solutions.